everyone, my name is Stephanie. I am looking forward to starting this class with everybody. So I would say I have a pretty limited basis for research and some of that stuff. Um, but I am excited to kind of learn a little bit more about research and give it another chance. I mentioned this in my first post, but my first experience with research wasn't great, um, and um, and it just wasn't necessarily taught in a way that felt applicable to my life or the things that I was really passionate about. And so I think that would be my hope for this class, that it feels more applicable to the things that I'm passionate about and to making that practice better. So definitely going into this with an open mind. I think I have a lot to learn when it comes to research. And so I think as far as what is going to make learning best for me is finding ways to apply it and for it to feel manageable for me. Other than that, I actually do really like reading research. I just didn't have a great experience trying it out, and so I definitely think that I have something to learn through this class, and I'm looking forward to getting started. Thanks.